egg. Hello and welcome back to another Plomo review. Today we're taking a look at the Extended Armament Vehicle Armored Assault Mecha version from 30-Minute Missions. Great naming convention, Bandai. And so starting off the review as always with the articulation. The head, I guess you'd call it a head, is on a full rotation. Shoulders are just ball joints. They also hinge, obviously completely unobstructed there. Bicep rotation, single jointed elbow for 90 degrees, and the hands, as always, on a ball joint. Rotation at the waist. Weirdly, it does have the regular, mostly, style 30-Minute Missions hips, though they hinge down the other direction, which is a little weird. And aside from that funky hip design, it is just a universal joint. So, that far up, that far back, slightly over 90 out to the side, and also this is a ball joint because it's using the regular 30-Minute Mission hip, so you get a little bit of a wiggle there. And a thigh rotation. You get over 90-degree bend at the knee, which is honestly really impressive for a single joint. And kind of funky feet. Front to back hinge there, a little bit of an ankle pivot. I mean, the articulation is not the best in the world, but it's 30-Minute Missions, and it's a chunky little short guy, so can't really complain about it. Now, as for accessories, let's start off, as always, with sticker sheet, and by extension, color correction. The Mono Y. It's 30-Minute Missions, there is no other color correction. Now, talking about the actual accessories, let's get into the hands, or actually, it's probably easier just to show it off this way. You get an extra ball joint, but you do get the entire Spinatia joint runner. So you just have tons of stuff here. It also means you get all of the Spinatia hands. So I have the angled holding hand there, holding that, because yeah, it's a little bit bulky, kind of makes it just hold it easier. But you do get two open hands, as well as two holding hands, which I didn't bother cutting out the runner. So despite being such a small little thing, it actually gives you a lot of hand options. It also gives you a grenade launcher, I guess. Definitely what it looks like. And this does have the standard tab style attachment, so you can use these parts for customizing with others. And finally, you do get the main gimmick of this, which is that it's actually a Roy. A unique Roy at that. And also you can... Come on. Whoa, easy now. This is the core Roy, and there's a little tab thing here. You can actually just stick this in at an angle if you want this to be up. I don't know why. But yeah, that is why this is not a full mech, because it's actually a drone, basically. The limited lore that 30-Minute Missions actually gives us means that this little egg boy is unmanned. And as for a quick size comparison, the egg mech is not very big. Honestly, it's very small. So, to wrap this review up, I really like the little egg mech. Honestly, for the price, it's not even a recommendation, it's a demand. Go buy one of these, they're really fun. It's a quick build, there's no color correction, it has pretty good articulation for what it is, and I mean the design is so just endearingly stupid. There's no reason not to buy this. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to let me know what you think down in the comments below. Subscribe and hit the bell to be alerted for future reviews. Come chill in the Discord. Follow me on Twitter, if that's even still around. And consider supporting me on Patreon, so I can keep bringing you videos like this. And, as always, until next time, happy building.